So how can you install games on the iPad with an old iOS? So first of all, if you have an old iOS, it's possible that you haven't updated. So check out the general and software update section and make sure you are in fact running on the latest version. But even if you are on the old version of iOS, it doesn't mean that the App Store is not functional, because you can still open up the App Store and check out the latest games, which may not be as up to date. Some of the newer apps or games may not be available, or some versions of those apps may not be available to you, but you can still download apps. It's not like your iPad is completely unusable. So you can go ahead and check out the games section of your iPad and check out what is in fact available to you, right? So that would kind of work. But outside of that, there are some ways how you can download apps outside of the App Store. Like, it's called side loading, but it's not really that safe. I cannot really recommend it to you, as on the App Store, only safe and controlled and checked apps are available. And if you download something outside of the App Store, it might be a dangerous file, and you need to really pay attention to what you're installing into your iPad. But there are some ways how you can get apps and emulators and whatnot from outside of the App Store, which is something you can go ahead and explore. It's called side loading again, which you can check out on forums or pages. But yeah, this is just an option which I'm mentioning to you. I'm not recommending it to you. But anyways, that's going to be about it for me. Let me know what you think below and what iPad you actually do have right now. I'm kind of curious to know. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.